i35equipment.com. This is John Deere 225D LC hydraulic track excavator. The machine runs and operates good. It is on consignment from a local ranch where they were doing some tree clearing and fence row clearing and the like. Welcome you to come look it over for yourself. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Happy to have you come out, schedule an appointment, bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. It's just that we're open by appointment only, so just give us a call, get on that calendar. Want to make sure we have the gate unlocked for you. Phone number is 405-833-6437. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory and all the specs online at www.i35equipment.com. This machine does have the minimum tail swing design. Real nice if you're working next to a tree or structure. Just a lot less likely to accidentally bump into something. It does have a thumb on there. Makes pulling trees, sorting scrap, loading boulders, and everything else a lot easier. And that is a 42-inch John Deere brand bucket. 1.11 cubic yard capacity and 5 teeth. This machine has real good power. There's an operator's manual up in the cab, which is always nice to have. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll unlock the gate and show you where to dump. Please no grass, trash, or trees. Big piece of concrete right there. We'll let him get parked, then we'll take a look at all the access panels, the motor, and we'll hop up in the operator station and check it out. Like I said, that is the John Deere bucket. This thumb has 4 tines or fingers that are serrated, give you a better grip on what you're grabbing onto. Also, you can unpin it up here and move it from place to place, get further away or closer to what you're grabbing to make it easier to grab on whatever it is you've been working on or want to work on. And if you wanted to, you can take that pin and pin it right there up against the stick for unhindered digging. We do have other buckets available. Like I said, that's a 42-inch. You can always see our full and up-to-date inventory of both new and used buckets online. www.i35equipment.com. Dry underneath here. Doesn't seem to have any seams or leaks that I'm noticing. storage area for tools or grease, whatever you need to take along with you. Stick looks good. Big glass on the cab. Safety rail here. Work light underneath the step. Nice and dry the way it should be. A little dirty, but it's got all the panels and nothing seems wet. A couple of Duracell commercial batteries in here. Said, welcome you to bring your own mechanic. Hire a local one to accompany you, check it out, but overall seems to be a solid machine. Factory Deere seat. Zoom out to the fisheye lens. Here's your operator's manual. Look around the side here. I'm going to turn the seat heater on for a moment, see if it kicks on. Horn. Turn these lights off. And it's dusty. 45, 73 hours currently. May look like it's pulsing, but the screen's, that's just when you video it gives you that illusion of having an issue, but there's nothing going on there. No codes, no lights. Throttle. Auto intelligence on and off, different power modes, dual travel speeds. Check out the radio. Working radio. Set auto. Warm it up a little bit. Takes you right on. Appreciate taking time to watch. If you have any questions, just give us a call. Happy to visit with you about it. Like I said earlier, you can see all the specs and our full and up-to-date inventory online. www.i35equipment.com 405-833-6437. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day.